This video walks you through how to build a project management system in Notion. Begin in Notion by creating a new page that will hold the whole setup. Give the page a clear name so it is easy to find later. This page becomes the main place where you will track projects, tasks, and progress across your work. Next, add a table database for your projects. This database is where each project will live as its own row, so you can scan active work, update details, and sort items as your system grows. Place it directly on the page so it stays central to the workspace. Once the project's database is in place, add the properties that define each project. Create fields for project name, status, priority, owner, start date, due date, and progress. These properties give each project structure and make it possible to filter, group, and review work in different ways. Keep the property names consistent since you will use them again when building views and checking progress. After that, create a second table database for tasks. This one is separate from the projects table because tasks need their own records and their own status updates. Add the core properties for tasks, status, assignee, due date, and priority. With this setup, each task can be tracked individually while still fitting into the larger project plan. Now connect the two databases. In the tasks database, add a relation property and link it to the projects database. This allows each task to be associated with a project, so you can move from a task back to its project and keep the system connected. Make sure you choose the projects database you just created, especially if there are other databases in the same workspace. With the databases linked, start building views that help organize the information. Add a table view when you want a full list of records with all the details visible. Add a board view to group projects or tasks by status and track movement across stages. Add a timeline view to place work across dates and compare schedules. Add a calendar view to focus on deadlines and date-based planning. Create these views where they are most useful, whether that is in the projects database, the tasks database, or both. The final part is keeping the system current. Add tasks as work comes in, update project statuses as things move forward, and adjust deadlines when plans shift. Review progress regularly so overdue tasks, changing priorities, and project timelines stay visible. A project system in Notion works best when the information reflects what is actually happening. Your Notion workspace now has a connected project and task management system with organized views for planning and review.